Do you love Alexa? Huh? Can you tell Alexa you love her? Take off your binky. Tell her you love her. Tell her.
No running. No running. No binky running.
No binky when you're talking.
No.
Okay, can you tell her you love her? Love you. Ella, gentle. Do you love your sister? Do you like your sister? Yes? No? You're so silly. Can you give her a kiss?
Wow.
Oh, careful. Wow. Okay, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Say bye-bye. Come on. Oh, you want Alexa to say bye-bye? Oh my goodness, Ella. Gentle, please. Okay, say bye-bye.